Hello my friends, and welcome back to Holistic Living Downunder. Today I'm going to show you how I make my Choc Blueberry protein smoothie. Now this smoothie is keto friendly and it's the perfect pre-workout boost. So let's get started. Now you can use any kind of high-powered blender with this. You do not specifically need a Thermomix. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you again next time.